Your big head.
When you give me profile shot, you just know that. Give us profile shot now.
And imagine what you feel before you talk your big head.
Me, I don't feel anything.
You're reason. So we have like your big head.
You know when you want to abuse somebody, you will look something.
Yeah, everything anyhow.
Yeah.
See big head. Yeah, you don't know what you go abuse again.
Look, I will knock your teeth.
Oh, you gonna see your teeth like that.
Again, one Instagram video I see where one guy you call him mommy a mini you can't call the name your daughter's boyfriend. Yes. When I was with you, I saw that you took your daughter and you went to a corner to go and tell her something. But I watch Nigerian films. Anytime they drag a girl to the corner, the mother will tell him, come on, fair, the person, don't marry. Mommy, am I try it? Mommy, I will bite your nose. No respect, you go. Which is for you, can you take it? Hey! Anyone, good evening and welcome to the Nation. My name is Dominica Tim and Izibit and the owner of Friday, Pastor Ian, aka P.I., aka holding it down for real, aka keeping it 100% in a minute. Turn up, she, holla.
All right.
Holla.
Remain blessed, all of you.
Zaga.
Oh, Jesus.
Zaga, yo. Now who's Zaga help? Anyway, Pastor Ian doesn't have voice today. Pastor, what we going to discuss today? We'll be discussing love at first sight. Okay. So we'll continue love at first sight. On Wednesday, when Sarah Ophelia Day here, before some people begin to show themselves on top in social media, we discuss one matter of, say, long distance relationships.
If you fit.
But that will not be what we go talk to today. We say we discuss love at first sight. So many people talk say love at first sight, they exist. We go back small chicken break. When we come back, Pastor go do a summary of what we don't talk before. Then we go begin take on our phone calls today for talk about love at first sight. What we discuss today.
It happened to you.
It had not happened to you.
You don't marry your lover at first sight. When I date together, how is it doing you?
Shout out to Amu. Huh? Peace. Amu. You know yourself.
Amu too.
Amu too.
Amu too.
It's a bit. That's it. But you know, say that now big head, I'm making a grow hair.
Yes. If I barb this head, the head's small.
Ta!
Oh yeah, try it.
Try him! I dare you!
Be a Samson. Let us see whether that's where your power is.
Delilah not there now.
No, that's what I'm saying.
So bring Delilah.
Easy. Please do not let the convincing powers of this duo affect.
Not
Don't let them use their
If
reggae.
you're man enough!
Yes.
If you're man enough, cut your hair!
Yes.
Easy.
Bam.
You already know how man you are.
Yes, I know how man I am.
Yes, you know how man you are. I don't need enough. I am man already.
Come on.
I don't need the man enough.
Clap for Pastor.
I don't need
Clap for you.
I can't be man enough. Man, no, they do. Is it? No one will say if you are man enough. My brother, what do you mean?
What do I need enough?
I'm a man. I don't need
Forget
Enough.
Why do I need to be enough man?
Okay, yes. If you're a man, cut your hair!
Easy. Are you a man?
I am a man.
Right, man.
Yeah, so.
You are.
End of discussion.
Anyway, over to you, Pierre.
All right. Yeah, so.
Love at first sight, I think.
Yes. So some weeks ago, we talk about this.
No, but Pastor, me will ask you first.
Wait.
You and your madam, was it love at first sight?
No, of course, it cannot be love at first
No,
sight.
you don't know now. They do.
Pierre.
Love at first sight.
So, but what's it?
Love at first. No, not love at first sight. Sir. We don't know till. We don't know.
You know that can't know when you see a person go no.
don't know.
But you know they feel something.
Yes, we don't know.
Una know, but una don't know.
We don't know, say, we just know. And it don't taste small. So that's why it did relatively easy. Now it'd be like saying player they play. I there's no effort to this thing.
Okay.
Now, I know they try, no mystery. I don't tell people before. I make everybody where one care to listen. Officially to my wife, I am completely a shameless woman rapper. Completely. If you hear, I'm a completely shameless woman rapper. Say jump, I say how high. You say run, how fast. It's my wife. Is she your wife?
I don't know. Is it your wife?
Are you wife? Is she their wife? And for me, that's why we go discuss even with these long distances. I mean, love at first sight, because ultimately, communication and maturity. We're supposed to discuss communication and maturity because it's very important.
Yes.
Where you see your girlfriend greet old classmates and then you vex one day, you don't know say something did wrong with your maturity scale.
Yes.
You don't even know. Say you know well.
Don't pour inside
you
them.
don't know. Say you know something. You be a child. So make you not greet anybody because you know you. You don't even know before you miss you.
Oh.
You know who in the greets. As they greet, hug the person over the shoulder and I ain't see you. All right, Mark will leave that one.
Pastor, we're not going to just leave.
Leave
that this in Pastor, we'll just leave love at first sight. Enter this market. Pastor, I beg now. I beg.
Communication and
I beg.
Maturity.
I beg. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about. So, man, not best. If you get love at first sight question, ask us. But today we will discuss maturity and communication. Man, not best. It's our topic. Is it your topic? Pastor, what to you?
maturity and communication.
So communication. Okay, so I don't start maturity. Maturity no be age. Maturity no be time. Maturity na your ability to process information. So you go see 18-year-old girl where they behave like 35-year-old girl. Then you go see 35-year-old girl where they behave like 11-year-old. If they cry anyhow, they sweat anyhow, they sigh anyhow, and you don't know say something they do them. You don't know. Where you see 44-year-old boy, okay, man, okay, now boy still, man, where they behave like 11-year-old boy. You go sit down like they vex. When you offer them food, they go look the food, look you. Yes, go. So who's that one? Who's that one? 3 o'clock. That one that you gave high five.
And I'm here, and you be doing it.
Because you don't know that if now by high five, you go die. Because the kind of high five where they give.
Before she even got your high, they give like 1 million high five.
If na high five they do you. We never enter Hogo. Never enter. Na high five they sweat. My brother, you need help. So maturity no be age. Maturity no be how you they talk. Baritone no mean maturity. You know, because you talk slowly no mean maturity. Because they nod. Because they do, you know some people they like create mystery. They will just there for one corner, for one bar, come chill, come they nod. Go nod. You go they look, who be this one now? What did they do like?
Are you not this?
What is he doing? Because everybody don't get idea of maturity. So when you get quiet for parties, get quiet, and then greet you, say, hey, guy, what's up?
You don't nod. Oh, there's maturity.
You're going to choose to go when you dim house. What are you going to do? What you they do? Now maturity. I want first debunk all the myths before we get in. Because some people think that thing be maturity. Some people think that the way they dress.
Yes. Or the
way they stand, their stance, you know, the way that they make eye contact. And be maturity, the way that they quiet. They'll just walk out, come on for work, everybody they go back when they go stand, pull hand for pocket, they look moon. You know, they don't mature. See all those things, eh? Nah, idiosyncrasies. That's where they worry you. People fool the place. People fill the whole room. You don't know say they worry you. What many people know say you did there, but you don't know how to talk them. And you don't say that immaturity they do you. But you, for your mind, say that maturity.
Also, you know say there are many ways they do this thing.
Of course
outside.
Now. No, you see, when they talk, if they hear me now, you will they talk to now. We're talking to you, so that there's no. You put on the pocket, can't go one corner, sit down, you know, mystique come there around you. And another immature person go find you, go that corner. But you don't know. Say that small picking now, corner say, who be that guy? Who be that guy? No, say for one corner, no be maturity. Oh. It's just me say you don't know. Say one immature person go to that room that day, and they go find you come that corner. So now go meet yourself, and then now go embarrass yourself as now they go for front. So all those things, maturity. Now, see, maturity is not the way they process information. the way they fit interpret, understand, process, and interpret situations. Meaning, say, there get sometimes where you go truly be offended, but maturity go tell you, so no be here, you go show your offense.
Yeah.
You know, so it not be time to go carry cup, pour water for your face. That don't be maturity. If the other person went in there with, can't say sorry, don't do anything about it, leave it. You go even begin like that person pass you.
Exactly. Yeah.
Say no, don't, just let it be, just let it be. She just come out a handkerchief, give them. You just say this one a correct girl, this one an animal where they stand here.
Meanwhile, maybe you don't use your hand to kick yourself in the
You
door.
don't even know, say that water where you pour.
That's
now
it.
the last supper, as you pour that water, you don't go.
Maybe you can say, what your show say the effect?
Yeah.
What nonsense?
Why?
Go.
That's the end. Then the other girl just say, no, don't move, just sit down. Just sit down, I'll go. Just sit down, don't say anything to her, I will go. You will talk later. Count to 50 in your mind and relax, then walk to your car.
Okay,
And then she gets up, packs her things. You know, and it doesn't say anything to the person where they vote for. Just back come and enter car. Just no mixing. I'm really sorry, enter car, just go. Say, call you, hope you didn't do anything and relax. You could just begin like the other person.
Yes.
Because the other person don't understand how to process information. This one knows how to process. Now why the processing? Now 1 second.
Plenty people be like that. No, but
No.
so
Now that kind of person now when they come go reach out, they come and say, hey, what I do?
And at that time, you know fit that water, you know fit unpour am. You know, so you don't pour the water. You want to hold the cup like say, I make water, they jump back. You hold your cup. You don't spoil it.
you don't unnatural.
You know, maturity. The same thing with the guy.
In the
You know, you they vex. The story was on some time ago where one man, they go house, 9 years or so, they never born, him and his wife. And one time, he just begins to say the wife don't they happy, they glow for morning.
Yeah, I don't remember.
You know, I didn't understand it. One day, just they go out, just see one guy with the wife for gate. But the wife, they laugh, the holders, they laugh. And don't tell where two of them don't laugh like that. Just say, who be this one where they make this one laugh like this? As they try enter out, the wife won't try greet him. He don't even look. He drive enter, rough enter the compound, packer. And that day again for town, outside one hospital. As they pass, they see the girl, they laugh again with this guy. He say, what's nonsense? It's all this. The third time in the house, her phone ring, he pick the phone. Come pick the call. One go give him for kitchen. And just hear, hello there. Hope you've not told him. You know, we'll look for a way to surprise him. Oh, I've heard it now. Oh, I have heard it. You people don't want to tell me, Abi. And went to the kitchen. You don't want to tell me. Now I know. As he dragged her, she fall, hit head. In a wound, the Russian hospital. Where the hospital, she died. And they can't tell the man, she not be single mother, not double mother, because she was pregnant. Now the young man entered. Now the animal be this. He said, animal how? Uncle, I'm her cousin now. I just moved into town. I'm her gynae. I'm her cousin who just moved into town, and I'm the one watching over her. So I was telling her to wait. We'll look for a good time to surprise you. As per husband.
Say she get belly.
So now me, where they with her for road the day you drive past, where we try greet you, where you don't answer us. Now the wife cousin. So everybody come look up. Say you don't know this boy come on our wedding. You don't know him. Hi. He been in school then. Now he's a young man. This 9 years. He don't grow up. The man they go prison, you know, for manslaughter. He don't kill his wife. He don't kill pikin. So he reach kitchen. You know sometimes it they happen. I go explain. It they happen where you know say. For your mind, you don't prepare, say, na talk, you go talk. When you reach, you don't go know when your hand go move by himself. So you go there, just go tap the guy for shoulder. Say, why they hug my girl like this? For your mind, do not tap for shoulder, you get for mind. Before you reach there, your hand by himself. Nobody you tell the hand what you go do. As you reach there, your hand just blow the guy for back first. As the guy turn, you slap him. Then the girl, now when you come to Uncle, you say, nah, in cousin work, say, Uncle, why did you punch me like that now? There was a fly on your shirt. There was a fly on your shirt. So, that your line don't even click again. Your immaturity, everybody don't see him. Say, now fly you kill, now you blow him like that. So if now real mosquito with them, but now,
what you for do?
So now gone, you go take shoot the mosquito now. Because immaturity now the way they process information. Different experiences they cause people to either understand how to process information quickly or slowly. But any which ways, when you go understand say maturity don't enter, and when you fit even in offense, you fit they rational, take rational decisions. And once you don't reach that stage, then you go fit get past your emotions and begin to communicate effectively. So your maturity, they even affect your communication. Some people that get good, they talk, And if they show, say, this one still be small picking. Then 12 now they try get normal conversation with the girl.
Yes.
They try to talk, say, how are you, how is work? Just full and talk. You go just begin talk, see that lemon green car downstairs. And when I see that guy, so that's must be 80,000 naira. Just because you look at him. He said, so I left my office. We bought drinks to come and talk about that man's lemon green suit. That's all I left work to come and be discussing with you. That's why I left. What's wrong with you? Why you behave like an old man? My sister, finish your drink. Let me go and drop you back. Your mate will come and take you for drink. There's nothing you can do. For the man, the same thing. The boy just fits. Just fit come out eyes for the girl body. He's not an immature person. He knows how to process information. He knows that like this should be normally. So you don't confuse him with your hot looks. As you just come, you package well, you dress well, you smile well, you smell well, your body, every curve, everything. The boy will just they sweat. One they touch your hand, one they hold you, one they just they look at him. Guy, we're just meeting. Can you sit down? That chair is your own. Can you sit? If you go stand up, Waka can come again, touch her hair. Say, stand up, baby. So, what is wrong with you? How old do you say you are, really?
I didn't die.
And the guy said, are you insulting me? I'm 45. My brother, you're 45. You are 45.
Don't say this thing outside.
Don't let others hear this. You are 45. So why are you touching me? Like, why are you he's processed. That's how he processes information. You want, you don't know waiting to talk again. The looks don't collect all the English. If you talk like back down, say, baby, I didn't do it.
No, I didn't do it.
If it just spoils something. So, before we get into communication, we'll talk about the way they process information, maturity. Waiting you know. So listen, we go teach you. So assume, say, because you dress well, it means say you don't mature. Something did wrong with that perception. Dressing no be maturity. Your elders staff dress you up. It means say you know waiting to wear. 90% of my clothes, now my wife they blend my. If you leave me to waiting I go wear. This is my pastoral office. Question: I feel wear lemon green on
Lemon
orange.
green, yeah.
Wear white shoe. But my wife wears sabi. And when I come out, I look very smart. And when people say, "Oh, you look sharp," they laugh. I will just give her an eye. Say, you did all right.
Idiot guy.
She knows how to balance me. When I want to play, I sabi how to play. But maturity now, enough common sense to even know. Same my wife gets more fashion sense than me. That's where maturity comes in. Because if you wear your chaos, wear your brown and your ox blood and, talking, and she come to look you. And they get one look at it, they give you. Say this thing no work. But you say, what? You self don't know. Say, that thing no click. But you want still ogbonge. You still want ogbonge inside the thing again. So because they look you. So this is how you're going to go out. What? Dressing is about how you feel about yourself.
And this is how I feel now. I feel like rainbow.
Right now, sun never come out. She don't already see. Say sun go soon come out.
Yes.
All your colors go soon expose. When you reach office, come on lights. Then, as you just see them, you just sit down for your desk throughout that day. But to reach out, Stephen tell them, say that thing. You see, immaturity, go tell you, say, no own up or say you did wrong. Go. When you reach out, still form like say you enjoy the dressing that day. Maturity, go tell you, say, man, babes, you were right. So package tomorrow, make we see as it go be. Make I wear the dress. And if tomorrow come, people will hail you. Get enough common sense to come back and say, baby, that's your work.
Yes.
You go to do am now. You go to. Then you're gonna say you don't mature. You don't understand how to process information. It don't mean say you dey weak. It don't mean say you be weak. See, I be silverback. I be alpha male. I know, but I don't need to begin put alpha male for my wife. I know say I be a man's man. I get men where they follow me, but not be with my. She knows some things about me where me I don't know. She if you just look me as they talk. She if you just look me, I go no. Say you're joking too much. Tone it down a bit, stay on point, get into your conversation. I know it is day, and when it happens, you could just see crowd reaction. Because she know me. She knows me, I'm just catching my trips. No, this talk not be about trips. See the people, they're enjoying it, but they're not learning anything again. Slow down, focus, let them learn. Then put in your jokes again. And once it happens, things will just make sense again. I will just go back. Hey, knock, take it. You know, miss, I know, you know, now she be part of my entourage. She know how they work. You know, if I show her the letter, she say what kind of audience, what kind of. She will just tell me, say, tone down this, no, do this one. You know, keep it professional. You know, and markets they sell because somebody don't get enough common sense to take the advice of another person.
Yes.
So once we explain maturity in all these in social interactions, if you know, say this person, trust now the first thing where any relationship built on. Any relationship where the boy no trust the girl no trust the. I they tell people no continue.
No, but why is it?
Talk.
No, talk now.
Why they had to they mature? Many people they mature.
No, you know,
they learn them.
No, they don't. See, you see what they do now, eh? People they learn. You see that now as they learn, now they ask this question because now they see say they get certain things that people they do where for their mind, it they okay.
They say na maturity.
Yes.
You know, it don't make where you go come prove to everybody say that you get the escalate. You don't know say no be maturity. You don't know say that thing no be maturity. You come at PP, you go press them again. You don't lock from the first time when you press that thing, that card don't lock. But the people were supposed to see. So now you get that card
They never see them.
So you got to wait again. Wait, make them come near. And then near you got Chichi. You can't look all of them. Yeah, it's mine. And I walk, they go. Yeah, keep walking. It's mine. You know, waiting. Those who truly get those things in large quantities, no need your approval. When you buy shirts and you know that shirt, you try to get up. Now you go make everybody know. If you get 5,000 Real Brook shirts. Now, I don't mention names. Some people won't even know. And they don't even know, say, for not knowing that name already, it means say you don't even did the game. You know? So if you get like 10,000 Real Brook shirts, you don't need to prove, if you wear singlet come out, you don't need to prove to anybody. Say this, you know, because that your one shirt don't off some people wardrobe.
Pastor, don't remind me what we did that time we did for school. You see the mad. You see the shirt where see now Sean John, no, you did mad.
Because they look good. It's not those behavior. So when they look the person, so for your mind now, you have out-matured me. Meanwhile, you have just revealed your folly. You have just revealed how foolish and unwise you are. Have you seen my shirt? The day you come, some people when they buy watch, that hand no go rest again. No. Every gesticulation, now that hand, where
if you see it,
say this country, when you come near, come go up, come turn around. And these are all subconscious feelers. And it has to do with inferiority complex. You feel you need to you're under a performance pressure. Even in relationships, it happens. So when you enter and your girl dress well, you come and tackle your girl. You don't know say now your immaturity they kick in.
Pastor, Moko got small chicken break. One small chicken break. I want to come back. We're going to take on our phone calls on top of this grandiose topic. He said, myself and they enjoy. I just sit down there. Remember all the things we do that at me and Nephi.
No, how you go listen to this thing? You go listen to Pia. You not go remember some things where you know say you say, "Aye, oh that's true."
When they come back,
that time I was so on.
If you don't just enjoy the video, they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.